Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to design a responsive admin users management page using HTML, Tailwind CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and MySQL. Inside this page, we will implement a dynamic users table, role badges, live search filtering, and a block-unblock user system without page reload. This is exactly how real admin panels works in production systems. I'll show you how this works. Now let's see how we code it. First, we secure this admin page using session authentication. This ensures only logged-in administrators can access the user management page. So if someone tries to access this page directly through the browser URL, they will automatically be redirected to the admin login page. This is a very important security step in any admin system. Now we write the SQL query to fetch users from the database. Here we use group concat function. This allows us to combine multiple roles like buyer and seller into a single column. Then we join three tables: user table, user has account type table, account type table. This makes our system flexible because one user can have multiple roles. Finally, we sort users by newest registration date. After preparing the query, we execute it using our database search method. Now the result set contains all users' records with their roles. Next, we design the admin sidebar navigation. The sidebar automatically becomes responsive using Tailwind CSS. On mobile screens, it takes full width. On medium screens and above, it becomes a fixed 24-width sidebar. Inside the sidebar, we highlight the current active page, which is the user management page. Now we create a live search input field. This allows admins to quickly search users by name or email. Instead of refreshing the page, we use JavaScript filtering redirectly inside the browser. Next, we design the user's table layout. This table includes user details, roles, join date, account status, and action buttons. Tailwind makes it very easy to create professional table layouts like this. Here we display the first letter of the user's name as an avatar placeholder. This improves UI experience even when profile images are not available. Next, we display the full name of the user. And below that, we display the email address. Since rows were combined using group concat, now we separate them using export function. Then we loop through each role and generate role badges dynamically. Here we assign different badge colors depending on role type. This improves readability for admins. Now we display account status badge. Green means active, red means blocked. This gives admins a quick overview of account activity. This button triggers our JavaScript function called toggle user status. Instead of reloading the page, we send background request to a server using Fetch API. The button label automatically changes depending on current user status. Now we implement live search filtering using JavaScript. First, we capture the search text entered by the admin. Then we select all user rows from the table. If the search text matches either name or email, the row stays visible, otherwise it disappears instantly. Now we build the most important feature, blocking and unblocking users dynamically. First, we create a form data object and send the selected user ID to the backend. Then we send an asynchronous request to toggle user status PHP script. After receiving server response, we update the UI instantly without refreshing the page. Here we change the status badge text. And here we update button label dynamically. Now let's open the backend logic file. First, we capture the user ID sent from the frontend. Then we check the current status of that user. Next, we toggle the status automatically. Finally, we update the database with the new status. Then we send JSON response back to the frontend. So in this tutorial, we successfully built a responsive admin users management page with dynamic user table, role badges, live search filtering, and block-unblock system without page refresh. Thank you.